First, we'll open the glove box. On the corner, there is that damper that we have to pull out. All you have to do is just grab it and then pull it outwards. Once the damper is taken out, notice on the right side there is that pointer holding onto the glove box. Similar to that, on the other side there's one more pointer that's holding onto the glove box. What we'll do is we'll push the damper from here, then also push the damper from the other side. Just like that, the glove box is taken down. Notice behind the glove box right there is the cover. We'll have to press and hold this tab right there and then pull the cover outwards. Just like that, once the cover is slided out, there's our cabin air filter. Just grab the filter and then slide it outwards. There's our filter right there. Notice the filter is surrounded by a plastic frame, so what we have to do is grab the filter and then pull it outwards. Once the framing is out, that is how we take out the cabin air filter for this car. In my case, the filter is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure that this arrow sign which is right there with this kind of part number mentioned and arrow pointing towards downwards, that stays at the front. Because the frame itself also has an arrow sign, so we have to make sure both of these arrow signs are matching each other, and then we'll go ahead and punch in the filter back in that framing. We'll go ahead and slide in the filter in that frame first. Framing has 4 tabs, just make sure the filter goes underneath all those 4 tabs. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the filter back where we took it out from. Again, before punching in the filter, just make sure that this arrow sign which is upside, it should stay at the front. We'll go ahead and slide in the filter, making sure the left side is in first. Once left portion is in, then I punch in the right side, then slide the filter all the way down. There it is. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this cover. Notice this cover has 2 tabs on the left side. Also, it has 2 tabs at the back. Make sure 2 tabs at the back are slided in first. Then we go ahead and punch in those 2 tabs on the left side. Notice 2 tabs on the left side are completely in. Now we'll punch in the right side, making sure the cover is completely in. And there's the cover completely in. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the glove box. We'll just grab the glove box and then slide it upside until these 2 tabs completely go in. There it is. Once both tabs of the glove box are completely in, we'll come back to the damper side. We'll have to slide out the damper first because sometimes it does go inside. Once the damper is slided out, then we punch it inside that tab. With that damper in place, now we are good to close the glove box. And that wraps up the replacement process for the cabin air filter of this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.